Hello, and welcome to James, the Lesser Express line, where we get you in and out as fast as possible with. Hey, it's January. Let's look at upcoming games. January, Donkey Kong Country Returns HD. PS5, PS4, Xbox, Switch, PC. Being a Nintendo, like, brand and all that, I'm surprised it's coming out on everything. I was never a big fan of the Donkey Kong games. Like, I've played them in the past, obviously, but I just gonna get into them. Star Wars Episode 1, Jedi Power Battles, looked into it. Yeah. And the rest is like a lot of the RPG, JRPG, whatever you want to call it, or Sniper Elite. What I'm looking at is Spider Man 2 on PC. Mods. Give me all the mods. Then more Japanese RPGs. And then February, Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. I played the first one, a lot of it. Never actually got around to beating it. It's one of those games where the idea is amazing. The gameplay mechanics are great. The story, pretty interesting. Graphics, fantastic. There's just something about it even when I got mods to make it, like, more simplified, I guess you'd say, I just cannot get into it. But it was cool. It's like, oh, hey, if you collect enough plants, you gain strength because you're constantly kneeling down to pick them up. So you're squatting. Squat, squat, squat. Hey, look at that. You got strength +1, strength +2. You couldn't swim. You didn't know how to read until you got quests that someone taught you how to read. It was incredible. But I just could not get into it. I tried. I played for hours and hours. Then it's like, all right, get the Robin Hood mod, so like the bow stops moving when you're trying to aim. Get this mod, so instead of like having the like click and swing the mouse around, you just you click and it swings. Well, no, that's like, all right, well, maybe it's because like you get into a battle with someone, you're probably gonna win. 2-on-1, you're probably gonna lose. But that was so cool. It's like it's so realistic. You have to eat, you have to sleep, you have to drink, you have to take care of yourself. You weren't just a badass space marine in power armor going out and kicking ass. It was so fucking realistic, and that was so cool. But even with like mod simplifying some of the combat elements, I just could not get into it. Would Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 be any better? Who knows? Hopefully they look alright. Here's everything people liked. Here's what people didn't like. Cut this out. Add more of that. Make it 10 out of 10. Knock on wood, that's what they do. That's probably, as far as what's been announced, top 3 games I'm looking forward to. Sid Meier's Civilization 7. I've played past Sid Meier's. I don't know. Some games that style I love. Other games that style I just maybe. What's the what I'm trying to think of? Meticulous. No. It's not that it's in depth because there's a lot of games like that that are in depth that I like. It's just I don't know. It's just something about Civilization games I just could not get into. Assassin's Creed Shadow. I'm sorry. Assassin's Creed 2. Fantastic. Best ever. Black Flag. Pretty damn good. 3, okay. 1, okay. Everything is just. You can only do so much, in my opinion. Like, yeah, being able to go to Britain, then you jump over to Egypt, then you jump over to Japan, then you jump to Greece. Like, doing all that is so cool that they do that. But, like, the story themselves, after a while, is like, okay, what the fuck's going on? Kind of lost me. Avowed, I keep seeing stuff about. Could be cool. If it comes to Game Pass, I might check it out. Monster Hunter. I played Monster Hunter Outer Wilds, I think it's called. Monster Hunter World, that's what I played. Cool game. I'm not excited about Wilds, though. And 2 Point Museum. Yeah, Sotokin. It could be cool. Have to wait and see. Lost Records. Wait a minute. Oh, tape 1 and then tape 2. Okay, that's a lot to say. Why is that twice? Atelier, yay, those games are a ton of fun. Check out William Alchemist, he'll probably be playing it. I was like, man, you got so many games being announced. But like, a lot of them are, like, I just don't care. And others, like, I need to wait to see more. Like Kingdom Come Deliverance 2, need to wait to see others play it, check out the reviews, be like, all right, this person has the same kind of opinions as I do. What do they think about the game? Man, look at this. Just 100 plus games coming out. I can't fucking wait. Double Dragon Revive. Oh, that should be cool. Doom the Dark Ages. Oh, that should be fantastic. It's like medieval times, but with Doom. It looks so fucking cool. I can't wait. Oh, no Final Fantasy game? Womp womp. And they'll probably have updates for Final Fantasy 15. They always have those. Ghost of Yotai, definitely excited for. Grand Theft Auto 6. I know a lot of people can be excited for that. I've just never been able to get into those games. One friend loves them. It's one of those games where it's like, what are you doing? Playing Grand Theft Auto 5. We're just playing that like 2 months ago. Yeah, I beat it. Now I'm playing it again. He loves those games, so I'm sure he's super excited for that. Little Nightmares 3. Those kind of smaller indie style games. And I was like, Moon Samurai, never heard of, so who knows what that's going to be about. Orcs Must Die. Ha. Pokemon Legends Z through A. The newest one I've ever played was X. I've seen others play the newer ones. Like, I'm good on that. Heck, I'm still playing Leaf Green on my phone right now because I got the emulators for it and all that. And just a huge fucking list of games coming out. Can't fucking wait to see them all. What about you guys? What are you excited to see? What games coming out in the future are you guys like, I gotta get that day one? What games are you gonna hold back, wait to see what happens? Spider-Man 2. I'm excited to see what mods they come out with. That might be a PC buy for me because the mods. Can't wait to see what happens with that. Kingdom Come Deliverance 2, again. I liked the first one, but I didn't love it. I just could not get into it. It just didn't pull me in like some games do, which is kind of sad. Because if you haven't tried it out, check it out. Play it yourself if you can. It is a good game. It is really good and in depth and realistic and just like so much about it drew me into it. But then I just after like 20 plus hours, I just gonna stick with it. Atelier games are fun if you like the more calm style, Final Fantasy style games that aren't, oh, we gotta save the world from God ending it, whatever. But yeah, like I said, what do you guys think? What are you guys excited for? Let me know. And as always, like, subscribe, comment down below, and have one hell of a day.